In this quick tutorial I will show you how to create a new AOL account step by step. So first of all we have to get on this page, open an internet browser like Google Chrome, and what you have to type in the search bar is mail.aol.com and hit enter, and you will end up on this page. Once you are here, select create an account from here down below, and you will have to fill this with your information. And once you're done you can select next, and at this step you will have to type your phone number so they can send you a verification code as a message. I type my phone number, so I will press on get code by text, and now you can check your phone because they will send you an SMS, a message on your phone. And if by any chance you didn't receive anything, once the timer goes down you can press on resend code, and this time I received the code. I will have to type it right here. Okay, and I'm done. I'll press on next now, and by this step my account should be created. I will not like passkeys, I will press on not now, and welcome to AOL. You can use your new email address. Let's press on that, and by this step your email address is created and you can use it as usual. So this is how to create a new AOL account with a new AOL email address. Thank you for watching and bye bye.